Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today on Sunday. Yes, Sunday. We have no newspaper, so I have decided to continue with the newspaper of Saturday, March the 20th, 2021. We have 4 Sudokus left. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars. These are solved. This one also. Tectonic and a binary puzzle. 4 Sudokus are left. Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 2 stars. Then Tectonic and a binary. Alright, the first Sudoku I will solve will be number 2506. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. I've already counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 27. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Which number shall I pick? Pick. How about this big square? 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this row. So no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. The other 2 numbers in this big square should be the numbers 8 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Let me see. Okay. In this column, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here also an 8, so no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here or there. We see there already an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. Here also a 7, so no 7 in that box. So the 7 could be here or there. We see here already a 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number 1, 2. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. Here 2, so no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left now in the third column for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 4 goes there. Alright, 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be here. Then 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about the number 6? Yeah. Okay. The 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. Then. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 8. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Let me see. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 9 and 4, 9 and 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Alright. 9 in this row. 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 and 8. Okay. 5, 2, 4, 5, 3, 3. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and the 5. Same like here, the 6 and the 5. How about these 6 and the 5? We have a pair, 6 and a 5. There's 6 and a 5. Here, a pair. That means these 2 numbers are the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. These 2, 6 and 5 as a pair. Alright. 6 and 5. Okay. 5. Here cannot be a 6. There could be let me see. 2 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6. 7 is missing. 7. 8 is missing. 8. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. Okay. And now. How about 1949999? I'm thinking. Let me put some numbers. These two numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. Let me put those numbers. I need pairs. Yeah. 1, 1. Could be the 1. Thinking too long. 8, 9. 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 8, 9 here, and the missing number in this column, the 3 and the 5. 8, 9, 3 and a 5. Okay. So this box should be 3 or 5. 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Okay. How about those 4 missing numbers? 7, yeah. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7. Could be here, could be there. Same like the first column, 7 in this third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places for the 7. Could be here, could be there. 4, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 5, 6, 9, 9, 8, 8. Yeah. 6, 5, and the 2 are missing. 2, 2, 5, 5, 5, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, and the 2, 5, 7, and 6. Yeah. 6, 6. We have a pair. 2 and a 6 in this row, 2 and a 6 in that row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 2 and a 6 should be in those 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 7 anymore because we have a pair, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. So 1 box left for the 7 should be here. I've eliminated the 7 here. Alright, so 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 8 is missing. Alright. 8, 8, 8. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore because we have a 7 here. So 1 box left for the 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Alright. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 8 and 8 and 3. 8 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 8 goes there. 3 in this last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 1, 1, yeah. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. And look, we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1. The 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. And that box should be a 1. Alright. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and then 9. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 159, 159. And look, we have a 9 and a 5 here. So no 9 and a 5 in this box. The 9 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one box left in this big square for the number 1. And I've marked those two boxes with a 1. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. Two numbers left. The 8 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Alright. Now we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be the 5. And that box should be a 9. Now we have a 9 here. So this box cannot be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be an 8. Alright. Two numbers left in the third row. The 6 and the 5. 6 and the 5. And look. We have a 5 here. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. One box left in this big square for the number 6. One box left in the first row for the number 5. One box left in this big square for the number 2. Alright, now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 6. Alright. Two boxes left, the 6 and the 5. Now we have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes and there. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku with a 1 star. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the second Sudoku. I will continue with the 2 stars Sudoku. So prepare for that. See you later. Bye bye for now.